Make a great choice today with the 2014 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, backup camera, Bluetooth, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, cargo net, low tire pressure warning, compass. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.